Hello everyone, myself Suhas Patil, Assistant Professor Electrical Engineering Department of Gnanasri Institute of Engineering and Technology, Satara. As a part of the International FDP on Environment and Sustainability organized by the T.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akkodi. In the second week, a specific task is the environmental awareness video. For that, I select the topic Sustainable Electric System in Building. In the last week, same activity. For that, I select the topic in e-waste. In that, I cover the introduction to e-waste, source of e-waste, impact of e-waste on environment and the human life. In this week, topic is the sustainable electric system in the building. Now, before going to the what is the sustainability, we know that the increasing the population, ultimately it increase the demand, increase the consumption, and ultimately increase the pollution. Means all these three in consumption, demand and population is directly proportional to the population. What is the sustainable development? Sustainable development is a simple way of ensuring a better quality of life in all three aspects like social, economics and the environment. For designing an electric system with a sustainable refers to approach the consideration use of renewable energy, energy efficiency, conversion and minimizing use of natural resources. Sustainability development implementation in the building. For the hot water, use solar water heater system. Use efficient light system, for example fluorescent light system, then mirror reflectors, high output and long life lamps. Use high efficient equipment and minimize power distribution losses. Use variable speed drive systems for air compressor, motor control, which could improve the energy saving, and monitoring all electric energy consumption by installing meters at selected feeders for building and light energy users. Now, most of the energy is used in the building is the electric energy by the lighting. Lighting energy use and sustainable reduce by the daylight, use LED or CFL, and control the equipments by turning off lights when not needed. Estimating the electrical energy consumptions. Electrical energy consumptions read the energy in units, that is the kilowatt hour or kWh. We know that the energy is nothing but power into time, and kilowatt per hour is equal to kilowatt, how much energy is used in hour. Now, to find the energy consumptions, read the power of the device in watts, divide by the 1000 to find kilowatt, and then multiply by the how that device is used in the hours. For example, we take 200 watt light bulbs left on for 8 hours every day for 30 days in a month. We know that energy is nothing but power in kilowatt into time in hours. Now, to convert this watt into the kilowatt divided by the 1000 watts, ultimately it is 0.2 kilowatt. Second step is the calculate energy. 0.2 kilowatt it is on for the 8 hours, that is nothing but 1.6 kilowatt hour of electricity, and it is used for 30 times in a month because there are 30 days in a month. We are considering the number of days in the month is 30. Nothing but 30 into 1.6 kilowatt hour is equal to 98 kilowatt hour per month. The next part is the most important, is the calculate the cost. As we consider the 15 cent per kilowatt hour, the cost is 955 per month, or it is 11,000 per hour. By observing these two figures, we know that how much energy is consumed in terms of the money. Now, what are the best practice in the lighting system? Use LED panels instead of filament lamps. Use high efficiency light sources for reducing the energy consumption for the lighting. Use solar lighting system are providing for the option in the rural India because it involves no moving parts, low maintenance, and most important, it is simple to operate. Energy and environmental saving. A single 80 watt CFL bulb replacing the standard 75 watts bulbs save over its lifetime of 20,000 hours. Means all the lamp is use LED or CFL. Lighting controls. Now lighting controls can be used by reducing the peak demand and it reduce the energy. Cut maintenance cost by increasing the lamp life. And simplest and the cheapest strategy, turn off the lights manually when not in use. And parallelly use heat sensors, use motion sensors, light sensors and dimmers, and ultimately is save the electricity and ultimately save the environment. Thank you very much.